An important arm of the Indian Army is the Corps of Signals. This is one of the Army Signal Training Centre, STC, located here in Bamboli, Goa, which imparts basic military, trade and technical training to the Army recruits. One such Army man is rappelling ahead and moving up higher to reach his goals and achieve his dreams.
मेरा नाम आज़ाद सिंह है और मैं राजस्थान का रहने वाला हूं। जुन्नू डिस्ट्रिक्ट मेरा गांव बड़ा गांव है और मैं सेना में 2STC ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में अभी सर्विस कर रहा हूं। यहां मैं मार्च में 5 मार्च को पोस्टिंग आया था। मेरे जो पोस्ट है वो मैं नायक सूबेदार हूं और मेरे को यहां करीब 1.5 साल हो गया।
Azad Singh wants to try something different and unique, which is a habit for him. With that as his focus, he continues to practice and work very tirelessly to achieve his goal, with various thoughts going on in his mind.
ये जो प्रैक्टिस है वो मैंने 1.5 साल के अंदर किया है।
Watching a television program in his hometown in Rajasthan, he saw a unique record being set of a man walking with a bottle on his head. Azad thought to himself, if he can do it, why not me? We have all heard of the idiom, practice makes perfect, a method of learning and acquiring experience. Azad did exactly that. He rode into the Limca Book of Records, cycling for 103 kilometers with a bottle on his head.
मेरे जो ये दिमाग में कैसे आया, एक बार मैं टीवी देख रहा था, छुट्टी पे था मैं, और मैं छुट्टी में देखते देखते अपना ये गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड का जो प्रोग्राम आता है वो चल रहा था। तो एक ऑस्ट्रेलिया का जॉनसन करके एक आदमी था, वो एक बोतल सिर के ऊपर रख के वो पैदल चल रहा था। तो उसको देख के मैंने सोचा अगर ये कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता। और फिर मैंने क्या किया, मैंने प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर दिया और प्रैक्टिस शुरू किया। मैंने बोतल से शुरू किया तो मैं थोड़ा मेरे को करीब 1.5 साल लग गया। और मैंने सोचा ये जैसे इसने किया है पैदल चल के, तो मैं थोड़ा इसको हट के करूं, इससे थोड़ा मतलब इससे ये तो नॉर्मल है, लेकिन जब साइकिल पे चलूंगा या उस पे चलूंगा तो थोड़ा वो उसमें और भी मजा आएगा। तो मैंने वो किया और उस पे मैं सक्सेस हुआ।
After that Limca Book of Records, Azad did not rest on his laurels there. Why stop with a bottle? Let's try this. Azad Singh has turned football on his head. He has practiced cycling with a football. He has fixed his eye on this and decided that he will balance a ball on his head.
सुबह रात को जब भी मेरे को टाइम मिलता था, जब भी मैं रखता था बॉल, मैंने 7 दिन तक इतनी प्रैक्टिस किया कि मैं 2-2 घंटे सोया हूँ रात को, 2 घंटे। जैसे रात को 3-3 बजे तक क्यों बॉल सामने रखेगी, गिरेगी, फिर रखेगी, फिर गिरेगी, ऐसे 7 दिन के बाद में मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि मैंने थोड़ा बॉल स्टिक होने लगा। फिर मैं सोचा अगर मेरे को पैदल चलना है और कोई हवा का भी रुख है इसमें तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम आएगी। फिर मैंने फैन स्टार्ट किया तो फैन को फुल स्पीड में फिर करीब 1-2 घंटा मेरे को लगा फैन से, तो फैन से फिर ये बॉल 1-2 बार गिरी, फिर कंट्रोल हो गया। फिर जब फैन फुल स्पीड में चल लगा फिर कंट्रोल हो गया। फिर मैंने सोचा जो फराटा फैन नहीं होता जो स्टैटिक हवा मारता है, फिर मैं वो लेके आया, उसको ऑन किया। उसको ऑन करने के बाद में मैंने फिर उसमें मेरे को 1-2 दिन लगे, क्योंकि उसकी हवा बहुत तेज है और हवा को कंट्रोल करना बहुत वो रहता है।
Azad constantly and tirelessly worked on his skills and technique with practice and more practice, spending sleepless nights to perfect this balancing act and come up successful and master this act. After mastering balancing a football, cycling, Azad's mission has now changed to walking with a football balanced on his head.
फर्स्ट दिन तो मैं चला था करीब 1.5-2 किलोमीटर चला, और फिर ऐसे करते करते 2 किलोमीटर, 4 किलोमीटर, 5 किलोमीटर, 10 किलोमीटर, और एक दिन मैंने संडे का दिन था, करीब ये था 27 या 28 अगस्त की बात है, मैं करीब 27 या 28 किलोमीटर चला था। उस जो 27 अगस्त थी उसी के दिन मैं 27 किलोमीटर चला, तब मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि मैं ये वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बना सकता हूँ।
His army colleagues and officers have keenly observed Azad's dedication and his hard work. They've encouraged him in his endeavor, and this has spurred him forward.
The way we know him, with his discipline, dedication and sincerity, he started putting effort towards this particular type of event, and very soon, maybe in around 7 days, he was an expert, and with his thorough practice, he improved upon it.
Azad has practiced day and night, and at the same time not neglected his own army duties.
He practiced day and night. We extended full support, whatever from our regiment we can provide him, but it was his sheer hard work because of which he performed, and he was able to break the previous record of cycling with the water bottle balanced on his head.
Azad continues to vigorously train and practice with the football, which has now become a part of his daily routine.
He used to wake up early in the morning at around 4 o'clock. He used to go out, then he used to come back and he used to participate in all the unit activities. He has never skipped any one of them. We have given him opportunity to practice enough, and after few days, 20-25 days, he was able to balance football for 2-3 hours.
During his first practice session, we saw that he could easily walk about 30 odd kilometers, and that too with all the open weather, without any controlled weather climatic conditions. And this was the starting. Then from our side, we gave him full time. We made whatever arrangements were required for him to practice. We gave him sufficient time, and it goes beyond saying that this was his own personal effort which ensured that this record could be set in.
The day 16th December 2014 has finally dawned. It's 5:30 a.m. in the morning. It's a chilly and wintry December morning in Goa, with only a few joggers and tourists walking about on the streets of the capital city, Panjim. The city is bathed in the pre-dawn light, and the street lamps give out a wonderful and warm glow. And Azad is happy to be alive and kicking. But no, he won't be kicking a football on the streets, but will walk with one on his head to try and first break an old record and later on create a new one. Yes, walking and balancing a football on his head on the streets of Panjim and its surrounding area. After a warm-up, Azad Singh is finally ready. We feel his excitement, and Azad is all set to walk the long journey.
Naib Subedar Azad is going to attempt today to break the Guinness Book of World Records Guinness Book of World Record on walking the maximum distance balancing a football on his head. The present record is held by a person from Bangladesh, and on the occasion of the 43rd anniversary of the Vijay Diwas, he will attempt to walk 43 kilometers balancing a football on his head. We are anticipating that the event will take approximately 7.5 hours, and he has been practicing for more than a year for this. We are quite confident that he'll be able to break it. He already holds a Limca Book of Records for riding a bicycle for 103 kilometers, balancing a bottle on his head. Ever since that record has been achieved, he's been practicing for this, and we are quite confident that he'll achieve it. We wish him well.
And Azad enthusiastically places the ball on his own head. Colonel Vineet Bhatia flags off the walk as Azad has put his first step to his dream. Amid the cheers, the applause, and the support and presence of his army colleagues. Azad is accompanied at the start of his journey by his colleagues and officers too. Azad is now walking on his journey of 43 kilometers to commemorate the 43rd Vijay Diwas or Victory Day. The 43-kilometer route covers Panjim, the 2 STC headquarters, Miramar, Karanzale, Donapola, touching the Goa University campus up to the Goa Medical College, Bambuli. From the Goa Medical College, a U-turn back to Donapola. 3 laps between Donapola and the Goa Medical College. The 4th and final lap will be a U-turn at the Goa University and reaching the starting point, thus covering a total of 43 kilometers. An army truck leads the way, followed by Azad, the army Jawans, as other bystanders and early morning walkers curiously watch as Azad confidently starts his tryst with destiny. The early morning walk is a different feeling altogether, and Azad enjoys this beautiful December morning as he strides along the streets of the city. As a new and historic day begins, one feels the vigor, the vitality, and the excitement in the air. The sun rises on the day as Azad reaches the Donapola area, still accompanied by his entourage and the hustle and bustle of a city waking up and going about their daily routine.
जब से साहब आए हैं यहाँ 5 TTR पेम्बुलम कैंप में पोस्टिंग, तब से मैं साहब के साथ ही हूँ, साहब के साथ ही यहाँ सर्विस करता हूँ। और जो पिछले इन्होंने जो लिम्का बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया था उसमें मैंने साहब के साथ भरपूर साथ दिया था और मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस था कि वो बनेगा, कि साहब ज़रूर कामयाब रहेंगे।
अब प्रैक्टिस इतना ज़्यादा किया साहब ने, रात में 3-3 बजे उठ के बिस्तर से चले जाते थे साहब, पूरे दिन 10 बजे तक घूमते रहते थे फुटबॉल लेके। उसी में खाना खाना, चाय पीना, ब्रेकफास्ट करना, पूरा सर के ऊपर फुटबॉल होता था। और साहब का एक एम था कि जो गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बना था उसको तोड़ने का। तो साहब प्रैक्टिस करते रहे। तो विजय दिवस 43 विजय दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में साहब ने इतनी प्रैक्टिस किया है कि कोशिश है साहब की 43 एंड एबव सर के ऊपर फुटबॉल लेके पैदल चल के रिकॉर्ड बनाने का। तो हम यही कामना करते हैं कि साहब इस प्रोग्राम को अच्छा से करें और हम आ रहे